Today we have come here to learn something which is useful to you in your future. Okay? As I told you, this is an interaction session. Please work hard. Try to answer something, even if it is wrong, that doesn't matter. It hardly matters. We do mistakes. Okay? Innovation and readiness. What is innovation? Anybody? Those who want to talk, just raise your hand so that other people also can hear. Anybody to answer? What is innovation? R&D curriculum. PhD. ಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಮಾರನೇ ದಿನ ಮೌನ ನಗರ. Why? What happened? ರಾತ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಾಗರಣೆ ನಾಳೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಕ್ಲಾಸು. What is R&D? ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ? Anybody? Hello? You raise your hand. Okay. Stand up. Research and development. Research and development. Research is there now. It's already there. Yes? Big. ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಮಾತಾಡೋದು. ಹೇಳಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
Research is searching new things, searching for knowledge.
Searching new things.